Addison's first time eating rice cereal. Let's see. She doesn't really love it super much. Ready? Here she goes. No, you're not sure? Let's try again. Yummy. Oh, there's those funny noises again. Here you go. First time with the spoon. What do you think? Is that good stuff? Huh? You're going to be 5 months old next week. Do a couple more bites and then we'll take a bath. And then you'll have your bottle. Ready? You're not doing too bad. I think you're doing pretty good. Ready? That's so good, baby girl. You're doing good. Yeah. Keep it in. Keep it in. What are you going to do with that mouthful of food? Well, it looks like you're eating it. Yeah. Let's do one more on camera. One more. Let's see what you do. Okay, say goodbye.